Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get refund from LegalZoom. But first, let's talk about the key points on the refunding system. Overview of refund options. 30-day service guarantee. If you're not satisfied with LegalZoom's online services like LLC formation, trademarks, wills, etc., you can request a full refund within 30 days of purchase. State fee refunds. Since LegalZoom forwards form filings to state agencies, those state filing fees are non-refundable, even if a refund is granted. Additional services. For add-ons like registered agent services or expedited filing, refunds depend on usage. If the service hasn't been initiated, a prorated refund is possible. Once processed, it's non-refundable. Subscription services. Annual services like compliance or LLC annual maintenance can be canceled anytime. Refunds may be issued for unused portions, but processing and state fees usually aren't refunded. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.